Hey, how's it going? This is Hans the Ramen Raider coming at you with another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles. And today I've got you one from Charming Couple. This is, what do you call... Hi, Miles.
Hi, Papa.
How you doing?
I'm good. Can
Yeah?
I say hi to the nice people?
Sure.
Hi to the nice people.
Good job. Go play.
Okay.
Hello, nice people. But yeah, we got something from Charming Couple. This is a soybean paste variety Biang noodle. They're extra wide, extra fun, extra. So how are you doing? Pretty much. So everybody here is still sick. Everybody but me has gotten a PCR test, and yeah, my wife had to get one for work, and the kids had to get them for school. I have a feeling I know they're all gonna come up with yeah, like, we are real sick. Really. I better set that timer. There. That would be catastrophic if I hadn't done that. I guess technically I could kind of guesstimate from the number on the GoPro. Ooh, that's a thought too. Anyways, yeah, so people just keep getting sick. We're pretty sick. Sick. I don't know though. It's possible we just have like a really bad cold. Everybody in the house. I guess that would be good. Although the FDA head person said yesterday that everybody's gonna get it. So prepare yourself. You're gonna get it. I figure if we're gonna get it, hopefully this is it. We can get it over with, you know what I mean? So yeah, got up and felt like absolute, like I was gargling with a Brillo pad all night. But then I had some caffeine and I felt much better. And yeah, I'm gonna make myself go out walking today. I don't think I'm gonna go anywhere indoors, but yeah, I did an unboxing video earlier, changed the laundry, did the dishes. Everybody's home. I kind of like that aspect. That's nice. We're just all sickos. There should be a machine we can set up, and you know, every time somebody sneezes, it just like adds a number to the list. So here's an interesting thing. Since the 2016 election, I've been saving. I know you're gonna be like, why are you doing this? I'll tell you. Well, now I have a reason actually, but I'll tell you. So I've been saving every single campaign email that I've gotten from the Trump campaign. Yeah, I have every single one. I'm pretty sure every single one. Since there's like, I was looking through them today, and I went all the way back to the beginning and said, this is the very first Trump campaign email. Yay, blah, 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 blah. And that was in early 2016. I was asking for money. And they always have stuff like take out the gun-grabbing Democrats, the liberal monsters, the socialists, blah, blah, blah. So now I have this enormous folder because I've just found it curious. It's like if you don't know about everything, you just don't know about everything. So I just always thought it would be curious to see what kind of ways they try to get money. And some of them have been just like, dude, wow. But now I've got all these emails and I want to do data analysis on it. I want to do like what keywords are used most, kind of like a keyword cloud from like like overall, like over time, stuff like that. I think it could be kind of interesting because people use my big list of instant noodles, you know, the ones I've rated and my scores and what country they're from and all that stuff. Excuse me. People in college and like there's universities that I get emails all the time. Hey, can I use this for one of my classes? This would be perfect and it's really fitting because they're college students and it's all instant noodles. I'm like, yeah, just send me what you do. If you have anything you can send me about it, I'm all over it. So interpreting data is obviously a big thing, and there's so many different data points that can be collected. So I think now I get to ask all the people that have been saying, can I use your data? Go like, hey, what can I do with a big online email inbox that I can probably export that folder into something? Maybe like a comma delimited file or a Excel spreadsheet or something that'll have like date, time, sender email address, all that stuff, and then do something with it. I think right now, at least unread emails, I think I've got like 2,200 from GOP campaign sources. So, I mean, it should be interesting. I mean, am I a fan? No. Am I a supporter? No. But I'm just curious. You know? Some people might really like that. Especially people that are like, trying to figure out how to maybe boost their campaign. Maybe it'd be something somebody cares about. Or not. I don't know. It just sounds like fun. Something to do. Especially right now, I'm like, I do some of my best thinking when I'm sick. So, yeah. Let's try this. I always thought this was louder. Yeah. I've brought these things with me certain times with like the kids and really irritated people. They're fun. Okay. I apologize to the charming couples people if I annoyed the hell out of you before I got to the tasting part. What? Where's the... I know I have one. I do. Now we drain. That's what we do now. So let's drain. Drained. Drain these big old noodles. And now we're gonna take this soybean paste, put it on in. So if you're familiar with, what's it called? Like jajang. So maybe like You might have heard of like chapaghetti, chapaguri. That has black bean paste. This is soybean paste. Well, either way, it does the same kind of deal. It's like a thick paste. And you put it in, and then you stir it up. This is going to be more like the kind of flavor you get from jajangmyeon, you know, which is a very well-known and very highly esteemed thing, flavor, food stuff. Except these are freaking huge noodles. Ooh, that smells very soybean pasty. Come on, come on, come on. No, come on. No, come with me on my magical fork ride. There you are. Cheers. Not my favorite out of the set, but pretty good still. Very rich soybean paste flavor imparted. So that's fun. I like rich, strong flavors, and that's got it. Bowl. Now, I did something a little different today, too. There's a fire in the engine, says Miles. And he says it's really crazy, man. Ooh. That's pretty good. The little bits. I'm a fan of the little bits. Yes, and it's clean. Yes. And so I've never used Maggi seasoning before, and so I got some, and then I also got this Thai seasoning from Canada. I did up some chicken with it. And now let's torch it. Well, it didn't do a whole heck of a lot, but it was fun. I like the fun. And we got some spring onion. And a little bit of sesame seed. And finally, oh, I could put another glob of something on here. I'm gonna put some chili oil on it. What the hell? And there you have it, folks. That's what I'm doing to this one. There you go. Rotato, do it. All right, cool. Thanks for watching. Yeah, charming couple, Biang. Good stuff. And that's the last one of the series of stuff that they sent to me, so I want to thank them for sending it over. Next up, we're going to do a domestic U.S. cup noodles stir-fry rice with noodles. So the noodles are really short, and it has rice in it. And this one is Japanese teriyaki chicken. So this has been Oz the Ramen Raider, wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one, and bye.